Hi, good evening. Now we're back. The two aunties are going to prepare Italian dessert. So, because the Christmas is coming, I think it's only 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks to go.
Yeah.
This is one of my favorite dessert. We called it tiramisu.
Oh my god. Are you serious?
Even though I'm overwhelmed, I'm happy.
Consisting of layers of sponge cakes with strong coffee or espresso mixed with either liquor or brandy you can do, and also with chocolate powder with mascarpone cream cheese. So now we're going to prepare these ingredients. Actually, this is for 9 or 8 people servings, so it's easy to prepare. It's light and it takes only 30 minutes to complete. Okay. Now we have to get started. We have two separate bowls. The bowl of egg whites, 3 egg whites, to mix with 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 6 egg yolks to mix with 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then this is amaretto, 2 tablespoons to mix with our strong coffee, 1 cup, which is warm. This is to use to dip your lady finger, okay? And this is to mix with 2 tablespoons of amaretto. And this is the lady finger. I prepared Italian one because it's thin and it's nice to place on the bowl or this. And this is the topping is a cocoa powder. We don't put this all, but a dusting, okay? And this is the mascarpone cream cheese, which is light and creamy. Okay, to start, we have to start with this. We have to whip. You can use the beater, hand mixer, or electric mixer. I prefer to use this electric mixer. Electric mixer, so it's easy for us. It's faster. We have to mix this mixture for a couple of minutes only, okay, till it become thick. Then after a couple of minutes, when it is already stiff fix, don't make it too much. Don't over whip it because it will curdle and you will go back again. Yeah. So I think this is chicken now. Yeah, I think this is for me.
Now it's for me.
So now it's foamy after a couple of minutes, okay? So when it's already thick, as you can see, okay? Alright, so that's done. We have to set aside. And now, this one is egg yolk, 6 of them. I add also another 3 tablespoons of sugar. So now we have to, after we mix this, we have to whip the mixture also for a couple of minutes till it turn to pale yellow color and thick. So now, after a couple of minutes, as you can see, it's turning to pale yellow color, and it looks like it's already thick and frothy. Bigger bowl because we have to mix all these ingredients with mascarpone cheese. So I have to transfer it here.
This is a special kind of cream cheese. It's not the ordinary cream cheese.
And now we have to add this mascarpone cheese. Cream cheese, actually.
You want this?
Yeah. Okay.
This one.
Yes.
Let me have it. So you buy this one from the aisle of the cream cheeses?
That's it. Yeah. You can buy this in a regular store or
Grocery store.
grocery store or you know, ShopRite. Just look on the Italian side, okay? Look at this.
Yeah, it's
Okay, just
how about the taste? It's the same thing or it tastes different? This one, the cream cheese.
This is light and creamy,
Okay.
different from other cream cheese.
I see.
And this is what they prepared because it's also Italian, and this is what they recommended. Actually, this is 16 ounces, and the lady finger is 17 ounces. Okay, now as we can see, this is the mixture of egg whites with egg yolks and mascarpone cheese. Now we have to, I have 1 cup of strong coffee, okay?
Black coffee.
Yes, if you have espresso, which is better, mix with hot water or just warm hot coffee mixed with 2 tablespoons of amaretto. If you have rum, that's okay too, or brandy, but I use 2 tablespoons of amaretto. So I will mix it together. And this mixture I will put on a flat dish, so when you soak the lady finger, it will be even.
This is the amaretto that Auntie So is talking about. Okay? She bought it in the wine store.
Okay.
Alright, so we have to dip the mixture of 2 tablespoons of amaretto with strong coffee or espresso with warm water, okay? On this flat dish. So when it's soaked, okay, you have to soak only the lady finger 1 to 2 seconds because it might fall apart if you
become saggy. Yeah.
soak it. If you over soak it, it might fall apart because this is already soft, okay? So as we soak it, we have to place it here. We have to arrange it evenly here. If you have an 8 by 8 square dish or bowl, I prepared bowl, which is little bit fancy, you can use it. So we have to dip 1 by 1. See? And then place it here. Only 1 to 2 seconds.
1 to 2 seconds. Did you bring this dessert at work? Yes.
Okay. See? Okay. Then pour over a layer of mascarpone cheese
Over the
over these lady fingers. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Then repeat it again
Same
with
thing.
this. Okay. So another layer of lady finger. Just 1 to 2 seconds.
Are they going to put it in the freezer or just in the refrigerator?
Refrigerator.
Not in the freezer.
Yes.
Okay.
This is now the ready-made of tiramisu, and we have to let it sit in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours, okay? Or 6 hours is much better. Then later, we can have a dusting of cocoa powder. Okay, now we're covering with plastic, and we will let it sit in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours, or it's better, much better, if it is 6 hours. This has been here for 3 hours now, so I'm going to take it out and put a dusting of cocoa powder before we can serve, okay?
Oh, look at that. Looks good, so.
So let us use this.
This is the cocoa powder.
Okay. So we will just. Oh, okay. There you go.
There you go.
Okay.
And so after this cocoa powder, are you going to put it back in the refrigerator?
No more. This is you can serve it now.
Okay.
So after, you can sit in the fridge for 6 hours. That's fine. Okay. And then, can you have more cocoa on the side?
More?
This is anything on that side. Oh, wait. Alright.
It looks good,
So
so.
now this is the finished product of tiramisu, okay? So just subscribe or follow us, okay? In YouTube. Thanks.
Thanks.
Bye.
Merry Christmas,
Merry
guys.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.